And back to late night stats.
Yeah!
So we know how to make a survey, but how do you know if it's good or bad?
A bad survey can be defined in many different ways. For example, a push poll or a political poll is interpreted as a bad survey. This is because most oftentimes, if you look closely at the push polls, they aim to get the data that will be in favor of the candidate they want to win.
Another way to interpret a bad survey is to look at the sampling size. It's important to get a random sample and one that is varied. If the sample size is too small and not varied, then the survey would be skewed.
What if a survey is good? What do we do with the information we see?
Well, if a survey is well made, then you can immediately look at a few things. The first is to know the margin of error. This is given by any reputable survey. It is a statistics expression expressing the amount of random sampling error in a survey's results. The larger the amount of error means the more it is away from the true figures.
If a survey is good, it will give you information about how it was made. The data will be having good sample size and a good method of collecting the data. It will give you the margin of error and exactly how the survey was conducted.
So, just to do an overview, what are some things you need to look at when interpreting data?
It's important to realize that when interpreting a survey, size is not all that matters.
And it's important to know who sponsored the research and what the goal of the survey was trying to accomplish and how they went about doing it.
Okay, so that's all for Late Night Stats Chat. Thanks for tuning in, folks.